Hi, welcome to Thought Rally channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, learning anything fast. In our fast-paced world, efficient learning has become more crucial than ever. Whether you want to master a new skill, tackle a challenging subject, or simply broaden your knowledge, learning efficiently can save you valuable time and accelerate your progress. That's why we've put together this video to share 8 mind hacks that will help you unlock your learning potential. Get ready to discover practical strategies that can revolutionize your learning journey. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Set clear goals. Imagine embarking on a learning journey without a destination in mind. It's like sailing without a compass. Setting clear, specific goals is the compass that guides your learning adventure. Here's how to make it work for you. Firstly, clear goals provide direction. When you define what you want to achieve, whether it's mastering a new skill or understanding a complex subject, you create a roadmap that guides your efforts. Each step becomes purposeful and aligned with your ultimate objective. Secondly, goals fuel motivation. When you have a target in sight, it ignites a fire within you. Motivation drives you to stay focused, overcome challenges, and persist even when the going gets tough. To set clear goals, start by defining your desired outcome. Break it down to smaller milestones and create a timeline. Write your goals down, visualize them, and regularly review your progress. Number 2. Embrace the Pomodoro technique. If you struggle with distractions, lack of focus, or a never-ending to-do list, this technique is your key to reclaiming your productivity. Let's explore the Pomodoro technique and how to implement it effectively. The Pomodoro technique is a time management method that breaks your work into intervals called Pomodoros. Each Pomodoro consists of a focused work period followed by a short break. Typically, a Pomodoro lasts for 25 minutes, followed by a 5-minute break. After completing 4 Pomodoros, take a more extended break of around 15 to 30 minutes. To make the most of the Pomodoro technique, start by setting a clear task or goal for each Pomodoro. Remove distractions and fully immerse yourself in the task at hand. Use a timer or one of the many Pomodoro apps available to track your intervals. During breaks, step away from your workspace, stretch, or do a quick activity to recharge. By embracing the Pomodoro technique, you'll experience increased focus, improved time management, and enhanced productivity. Number 3. Employ active learning techniques. Picture this. Instead of passively absorbing information, imagine being an active participant in the learning process, fully engaged and reaping incredible benefits. Active learning not only enhances comprehension, but also boosts retention and critical thinking skills. So, let's explore how you can employ these techniques in your own learning journey. Firstly, summarizing is a powerful strategy. After learning a new concept, try condensing it into a concise summary. This process solidifies your understanding and helps you remember the key points. Secondly, teaching others is an effective way to reinforce your own knowledge. Whether it's explaining a concept to a friend, creating educational content, or even teaching a class, sharing your knowledge deepens your understanding and challenges you to articulate ideas clearly. Lastly, engaging in discussion stimulates active thinking. Seek out study groups, online forums, or interactive platforms where you can exchange ideas, debate perspectives, and learn from others. This dynamic interaction sharpens your analytical skills and expands your knowledge through diverse viewpoints. Number 4. Practice-based repetition. Imagine a learning method that helps you retain information effortlessly and for the long haul. That's where spaced repetition comes into play. Let's explore this powerful concept and how to implement it in your learning journey. Spaced repetition is a strategy that involves reviewing information at increasing intervals over time. Instead of cramming all your studying into one session, spaced repetition spreads out your review sessions strategically. This technique capitalizes on the spacing effect, which states that our brains retain information better when we review it multiple times, with increasing gaps in between. Number 5. Use the power of visualization. Visualization is like creating a movie in your mind, where the concepts you learn come to life. Let's explore how to harness the power of visualization to enhance learning and retention. Firstly, mental imagery is a technique that engages your imagination. Close your eyes and vividly picture the information you're trying to learn. Imagine yourself interacting with the subject matter, seeing it from different angles, and even experiencing it at first hand. This technique makes the information more memorable and helps you connect it to real-life experiences. Secondly, mind maps are visual diagrams that capture the connections between ideas. Start by writing the main concept in the center and branch out with subtopics and related information. Use colors, symbols, and images to make it visually appealing. Mind maps create a visual representation of knowledge, allowing you to see the bigger picture and the relationships between different concepts. So, whether you're studying a complex topic, preparing for a presentation, or trying to remember a list of facts, visualization is your superpower. Activate your imagination, create mental movies, and draw mind maps to unlock the full potential of your learning journey. Number 6. Seek out different learning resources. If you've ever felt stuck in a learning rut or struggled to grasp a complex subject, this hack will open up a world of possibilities. Let's explore how diverse learning resources can transform your learning journey. When it comes to expanding your knowledge, don't limit yourself to a single source. Explore a variety of resources, such as books, online courses, podcasts, and mentors. Each resource offers a unique perspective, style, and depth of knowledge. By tapping into this diverse pool, you gain a comprehensive understanding of the subject and unlock new insights. Books provide in-depth analysis of a wealth of knowledge from experts in the field. Online courses offer interactive learning experiences and practical applications. Podcasts introduce you to diverse voices and fresh perspectives. Mentors provide guidance, support, and real-world expertise. So, don't be afraid to venture beyond your comfort zone. Seek out different learning resources, blend them into your learning routine, and watch as your understanding broadens and deepens. Number 7. Take breaks and practice self-care. In the pursuit of knowledge, it's easy to forget that our minds and bodies need rejuvenation. Let's explore the importance of breaks and self-care in optimizing your learning experience. Taking regular breaks is crucial for maintaining focus and preventing burnout. Breaks allow your brain to recharge, consolidate information, and process complex concepts. They also enhance creativity and productivity. So, remember to incorporate short breaks into your study sessions, allowing yourself time to rest and refresh. Practicing self-care goes hand in hand with effective learning. Engage in activities that nourish your well-being, such as exercise, meditation, or spending time in nature. Prioritize sleep and ensure you get enough restorative rest to support your cognitive functions. When stress arises, employ relaxation techniques like deep breathing, mindfulness, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Manage your time effectively, set realistic goals, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. By valuing breaks and self-care, you'll create a harmonious learning environment where your mind and body thrive. So remember to pause, rejuvenate, and embrace self-care as an integral part of your learning journey. Number 8. Review and reflect. When it comes to learning, it's not just about acquiring information, but also about retaining and internalizing it. Let's explore the significance of regular review and reflection in the learning process. Reviewing what you've learned reinforces your understanding and helps solidify the knowledge in your long-term memory. By revisiting previously covered material, you deepen your comprehension, identify gaps in your understanding, and make connections between different concepts. Reflection takes this process a step further. By pausing to reflect on your learning experiences, you gain insights into your progress, strengths, and areas for improvement. Reflecting allows you to extract valuable lessons, apply them to real-life situations, and make meaningful connections between theory and practice. To implement this hack in your own learning journey, allocate dedicated time for review sessions. Organize your notes, revisit textbooks, or watch recorded lectures. During reflection, set aside moments of introspection to contemplate your learning process. Ask yourself probing questions and document your thoughts in a journal. And there you have it, my fellow learners. We've explored 8 mind hacks to help you learn anything fast. From setting clear goals to embracing self-care, these strategies are your secret weapons for efficient and effective learning. Remember, it's not just about the quantity of information you consume, but how you approach the learning process. So, go out there, set your goals, visualize your success, actively engage with the material, and utilize techniques like spaced repetition and the Pomodoro technique. Seek out diverse learning resources, take breaks, and always make time for review and reflection. Together, these mind hacks will empower you to unlock your full learning potential. Keep expanding your knowledge, and may your learning journey be filled with discovery and growth. Until next time, happy learning! If you liked the video, then click the subscribe button to see more content like this, and don't forget to activate the notification bell.